Let's dive into the single best way to boost your Meshtastic device's performance. It's a common complaint. The antenna that comes in the box, well, it's often just jump.
So, why does a new antenna make such a huge difference? Well, it all starts with physics.
LoRa radio waves travel in straight lines. They really don't like mountains, hills, or dense buildings. And as you can see here, placement is everything. The higher you can get your antenna, the better. But good placement is only half of it. Your antenna has to be tuned to the right frequency. For instance, in the US and Australia, you're on 915 megahertz, but in Europe, it's 868. And this is a big deal. Using the wrong frequency can actually fry your device's radio. Okay, so you know you need a new antenna, but which one? Let's check community favorites. Luckily, the community has tested tons of antennas. Here are some of the most popular picks. But remember, even the best antenna won't work well if it's in a terrible spot. So, follow these 3 simple rules. Get it outside, get it high, and use a good cable. The key takeaway? Set realistic expectations. A great antenna can't work magic from a basement. So, with a stronger signal, what will you do? Connect with others? Build a community network?